Hey everyone, I just picked up a new webcam. It's not really new, it's like a newer version of an older webcam. It's the C920s Pro HD webcam. That's a mouthful. But it's from Logitech. It's a 1080p, 30 frame per second camera. I love these things. I've had the original C920 for like 5 years, or whenever that thing came out, maybe 2016. But it's worked flawlessly. I'm using it right now. I'm using the S version. I think the only difference is it comes with a shutter. Maybe that's what the S stands for shutter. I don't know, but they jacked up the price to like $70 now. This used to be $50, but whatever. It's a good camera. It works fine. You'd be lucky to find it in stock in most places. I got lucky and got mine at Micro Center. But anyways, the reason you can hear me, and this is a problem that I had when I just bought this thing, was my audio wasn't working. So I am on the latest build of Windows 10, uh, and it's currently August 24th, 2020. So you're probably using the same version if you've kept the forced upgrades going. But in any case, let me show you how I got the audio working because it wasn't working before and it was driving me insane. So first, we go to Windows settings. So you go to that little start button and click the little gear icon right above it, and it takes you right here to settings. And it's really easy actually from here. Just type in privacy and go to privacy settings. So in here you have one for camera. This one was on by default for me, but for some people it's not. I don't know why. Make sure that's on and then go through and turn on the apps that you need access to. But most importantly for me, it was the microphone piece. This was definitely off for me. I turned this on and amazingly, this camera is useful now. Microsoft really went all in on privacy, so here we are. Hopefully this fixes the one problem you had. I mean, I went nuts. I went online, I looked for drivers. I couldn't find a driver for this thing. It's all part of the new Logitech HUB. So there's no driver to download. So that's great. Yeah, I tried everything else. Unplugged it, plugged it back in, restarted my computer like 50 times. And finally, I thought, why don't I check privacy settings? It's a stupid, here it is. It's in privacy settings. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully this works for you. Leave a comment or like it, whatever. This is what I'm here for. Thanks, guys. Take care.